Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to see how to test our image that we uploaded to this repository. So I'm going to copy the repository name. And when I come here, I'll put the repository details over there. So don't worry. So let me try and see. Save, no permission. Okay. So I'm working from VS Code and it seems it's not giving me the permission to do that. I'll have a look at it later. So I can just do cd Ansible Navigator sudo nano. So I'll just have to change the repository name to what I have, and I'll change this to missing. So the image will only pull when the container engine doesn't is not able to identify this repository that locally. So it will pull the image. What I'll do next is that I'll do Broadman images, and as you can see, this image already exists. So I'm just going to delete this image so that we can see the fresh pull from the repository. So I'll add force to, okay, so Podman images once again. Now the image has been deleted. Let me also delete this one. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's check our images once more. We have only one image which was created when we were building our image using the Ansible builder. So I'll run Ansible Navigator command to run our Ansible Navigator. And it's going to pull the image from the repository. And as you can see, it didn't find the image, so it's trying to pull the image from the repository as an execution environment. So I'll pause the video and I'll continue when the pull is done. Okay, so now the pull is done, as you can see over here, and we have Ansible Navigator running. So the first thing that we will check, as we did when we did an inspection. Okay, so now the pull is done, and we have our image over here, and we also have Ansible Navigator running. So now it's time to inspect the collections that we have. So collections. So it will fetch the collections from the image that we pulled from docker.io. I don't know why I've been experiencing this, but anytime I try to fetch collections from this image, particularly when the image is, huge, the size to be specific, I get that error. I don't know why. I can check from the logs to see what happened. So I don't know why, but seems to be happening. I don't know why. So this is the error that we have, trying to unable to extract collection just from std output. St out, stand out, and the error says that not enough values to unpack. I don't know what is exactly wrong. So no model named Ansible Navigator. Okay, so I don't know, but when we go to images, you can see that our image is there. We have the Ansible runner, we have the Ansible, the one that we built. So we can, let's say, check to see if we can get any information. Okay, so we have information fetched from the image that we built over here. And as you can see, it came from query.io, Ansible latest. So let me try and see if the collections will work again. Okay, so it seems not to be working, but either way, I'll have a look at it and I'll update you. But either way, if it doesn't work, don't forget to change the configuration file to use the local development environment. I mean the host of the Ansible Navigator. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.